You know, at what point in my life would I have the skills and the ability and to be on this moment when like a few hours from now, tomorrow, I can walk up to a desert tower, climb up it by myself, tug up my parachute, and jump off it. Like, that's so cool. And I can. And so like, why wouldn't I? That was pretty much what I came up with, and then that was good enough for me. I was like, because I can. One thing I've always liked is having like big projects. The desert tower is so awesome because you can't walk up, you can't walk down. Now the best way up is the climbing, the best way down is the jumping. The best thing is not dealing with a bunch of equipment. It's like the most perfect thing you could do. And so to me, aesthetically, that is the coolest thing ever. It's basically as simple as that. That says it all, risk versus reward.